If you hold Nvidia stock or hold any stocks at all, it doesn't really matter. Nvidia stock's very important. You're gonna love this candle right here. This right here is a white merubuzu. I don't really care how you say it. It doesn't matter. It's very bullish. Smaller no wick at the top, smaller no wick at the bottom, big green body. It means the bulls are stepping in and potentially taking control at a local pivot low here. We've had this line marked now for literally 8 months and we just bounced off it perfectly. But let me show you what history tells us comes next after a merubuzu. Right here. We can test this exact candle formation. Over the past 5 years, we've seen this signal 5 times. It's literally a once in a year signal, but when we do see it, the edge is absolutely monstrous over any random day on the S&P 500, especially if you stretch that out over 30 days, nearly a 13% move as opposed to the S&P 500, 1.67% over that same time. And you know what? I wanted to go back and test it over 10 years to see if this changes at all. This candle's only occurred on Nvidia over the last decade 11 total times above the 200-day moving average. Does this mean this is the beginning of the tides turning around? Is this a local bottom? And if fundamentals, the valuation's gonna tell us anything, then there's certainly something to pay attention to here. Basically, we haven't seen Nvidia share price this cheap compared to the earnings, the money they expect to make over the next 12 months ever. Some of the last times we saw this were 2018, 2020, 2022, and right before its massive run up in late 2023. So will this time be different? Is the AI play officially dead? That's the question you got to answer. But in any case, this merubuzu, you pay attention to it, all right? This is a seriously good sign. Test any candle you want. Marketspredictor.com. Good luck.